Good afternoon, it's Nola. I was positive I put up this kit, but I can't find it. So I know Roseanne opened one of these, and so what I think I'm going to do is just redo it, show you guys on here, and I have 6 available. And I found a nice piece of light yellow moire that goes beautifully with it. So I'm adding that to each one. And then this was the original piece that I was going to use. And it goes beautifully. So we'll start out with that. Then we have a nice piece of satin that goes well with that. This lovely piece. It's a sheer, but it's got leaves all over it. It is so pretty. Then we have this lace, and you could easily make flowers out of this lace. It's beautiful. And we have a piece of this sparkly fabric. So there's that one too. Then we have a piece of gathered cotton. So you could add that in somewhere. It's already got a little gathering on it. This is a nice piece of fabric. It goes in there as well. Then we have a big piece of silver for you. I'm sure you won't need all of that, but save it for Christmas or something. Then there's this lovely piece of cotton. It has all this neat stitching on one half of it. Silver, gold, white. It's kind of neat. We have this yellow tulle that goes in there. Very pretty. Here's a piece of sparkly sari, and this one has beadwork on it. Very pretty. I have a little piece of a gold. Well, this is it's gold threads in it in sort of a brown lace, but there isn't very much because I only had a tiny bit. And then there is this one, which is quite pretty, very delicate. This piece, which also is very delicate. And then I have this piece of lace in there as well. And then I have these, this flower in there too. And this one piece of sparkle here. And a piece of white ribbon. So this one will be $24.95, and there are 6 for sale. So thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye now.